negative, whatever we have, right? They say simplify. Let me start with something quick. But before, first and foremost, let me put my calculator aside, right? We want to make sure the calculator must be aside. Okay, put my calculator aside. So it's no, oh, my apology, I'm sorry. Instead of put my calculator and I start to take my page. Hey, page, come back. My apology, people. My apology, family. Yes, calculator, please, stay aside. Okay, so we'll put the calculator aside. Let's get started. So, there's a little rules, okay? I don't want to go through a lot, but we have a rule, right? You see this one here? 2 power n, 2 power, okay, so what you do, if you have an n power t, let's say, this we call base and this we call what? Power. So now take all the variable or take all the group which have got the same base. This is the base, this is the power. So which have got the same base? This has a base of 2 and this has a base of 2. So put them together. And we call this exponential. So I'm going to say 2 power n times, because everything is a times. Then put together, it's going to be 2, 3 minus n. Okay, so we do the same game here with the other one. So I must take this one and that one, put them together because they have base. Base means this number here. So 3 power negative 5 in the times, dot meaning times. You can put, you see, why do you put dot now? There was a multiplication, it's the same thing, beautiful family. So I'm going to say 3 power negative 5 and then 3 power 3. So what you're going to do according to the base of exponent, if the are the same, see that we're the same base, do not write 2 base, only write 1 base. So instead of writing 2 power something, only write 1 base. How do you know the Hamish? I'm Hamish, by the way, that's my name. But my name that I like you to call me is Motswana Wabantu. So now what we're going to do here, since they have the same base, do not write 2 of them, you only write 1 of them. So no, these are rules, right? You don't do how you want, these exponential rules. So I'm going to say this 2, I'm going to write only 1 and then you add the power. They have the same base, only when they have the same base you only write 1. That's why I put them together. So I'm going to say I don't have to write 2 of them, I write 1 and then you add the power. N plus 3 minus n, and then we have a multiplication, which is this one. So you see how, oh, they have the same base, those another group, so I don't have to write all of them, I only write 1 and then you add or you plus those power. What is the power? Negative 5 plus 3. So the next thing now, oh look, n minus n equal to 0 means no more n, it's like look, n minus n, it's gonna count. So we don't have that too. So I can simply say only have a 2 and then power positive 3n, because you left this one off. Even if I don't write 3, it's just 3. Positive 3 means 3. Okay, there we have it. Multiplied by 3, negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2. So now this equal 2 power 3. What's 2 power 3? 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. And then this is 2 power 3 means 2, 3 of them. Look, before I show you that, let me explain something. There's something called reciprocal in mathematics. Look, if you have, let's say, x power negative 3, it's same as say, which number is here? If there's no number, means there's a 1. So you can simply write your 1 and then take everything the way how it is, right at the bottom. But the only thing you change, you see this is negative, it becomes positive. That's how it's called reciprocation. This is called reciprocation. Coming back to that question and finish up, right? I haven't finished, but I want to explain to you how that's going to go. So if somebody give you, let's say, sorry, excuse me, sorry, family, sorry. Let me keep a pause for a second. Okay, now let's go. So we go say now, excuse me, sorry, I've got a drink of water. My apology, I'm sorry. My apology. I got a terrible headache today. I'm not feeling well, but hey, I say I have to do this for you. So now, so for that case now, we're gonna say, so if somebody, so that one you understand, right? For example, if somebody give you, let's say somebody give you, let's say negative k power negative 3. So what you do not worry about the number before. So if there's no number, which number is here? Means there's a 1. If somebody say, oh, this is the phone. How many phones? It's just a 1 phone. So somebody say negative k and say, don't worry about this negative one, and then take everything right under, but the only thing changes the sign. Is negative is going to become positive. That's how you reciprocate. This is called reciprocate. Okay, so it's reciprocation or reciprocate. So now we can reciprocate that one. What is that we can reciprocate? Meaning this one right here. So which number is here? There's nothing, means I can simply say 1 over. Take everything to the bottom, it's going to be 3 positive 2 because this negative is going to become positive. So now this let me say this. What is 2 power 3? 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 80 times 1 over 3 power 2 means 3 times 3. 3 power 2 is like 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So now 8 times 1 equal to 80 over 9. Oh, so our answer equals 8 over 9, which is this option. Oh, if you don't want to do that, let me explain and show you how you're going to do in an easy way right here with the calculator. So our answer is 8 over 9. Oh, you see, I could have simply plug in a calculator. Look how it's going to do. 2 power 3, right? And times 3 power negative 2. I was going to come. So, okay, let me bring back my calculator. Calculator, please come back here. Come back here, please. Come back here, please. My family want to see. So we say, okay, we see that. So we're going to say, oh, well, sorry, come here. Say 0. Okay. Come here, clear everything. Come on now, clear calculator. My beautiful family want to see. So 2 power 3. Okay, so we're going to say 2. Okay, 2. You freeze. Come on, don't freeze now. Let's go, baby. 2 power 3. Power 3. And they come and say next. And they say times. Come on, baby. Okay, now we say 3 power negative 2. Okay, 3 power negative 2. Why kind of freezing my calculator for some reason? I don't know why. Okay, so without me saying, it's kind of there. It's a lot on the why it's freezing. See, it's kind of, you see, it just worked by itself. I didn't even touch it. Look, I typed a long time, but I kind of take a little time, fam. So okay. So now this one we can say equal to, I'm just waiting for you so you can see how it responds. Okay, it took a very long time. I'm disappointed. So now we say, if you say equal to, I'm just worried. See, I didn't even touch the calculator. It's still busy calculator. Hey, calculator, please don't do that. My beautiful family want to get an answer right there with the proof. Get an answer right there. I did say equal to, but it's still busy. See, I click it a long time. If you plug like that, the calculator is going to give you 8 over 9. I'm still waiting for it. I don't know why it's freezing. Man, come on, give an answer, baby. Why you take time? Take time. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video because my intention is to make this video very long, but the answer is gonna be 8 over 9. Okay. Okay, so if you have a calculator you can plug, yeah, 8 over 9, but it took a long time. Listen, family, that's out of my control. I tried to do the right thing, but it took a time because it was freezing. But hey, listen, you FaceTime right here. Easy, man. This type of question is way easy. For that being said, subscribe, share this video to your friend, to your wife, to your husband, to your brother, to your sister, to your beautiful family. Call them out, say, hey, I want to teach you some math. I know this how to solve this question. Maybe I can show you how to calculate. Come on, guys. So for you to practice, use a family member like, hey, come on, baby, I want to show you something. Oh, my baby, my son, your daughter, your grandma, your grandchildren, whoever. Call them, my beautiful family. I learned something from this channel, from this guy. So I want to show you something. This is how you solve, okay? When you see the base of the same, put them together. Do not write them, 2 of them. You only write 1, and then you add the power. So for that being said, it's a lot of your time. Peace and easy. We out. Peace.